So the coyotes never came back all the way to the house again since 20 is chasing them. And the hogs are fine here, but the chickens, they have it completely under control. And Cinnamon, whatever attacked her, I think it was the chickens, it's recovering pretty well. There she is right there.
Come on, my little baby's good night.
Lucky the chickens were not around. Even the first day when she had those feathers plucked out, she never had a problem to jump up there, Cinnamon. Yeah, my chickens, they love the predator-proof coop I built them. And this second one is even, I mean, it's so spacious because there are only 3 there, and you don't have to clean up the poop. Like, if I wouldn't clean it for a month, I wouldn't know if it's been like a day ago
You
or
love the
you know, a
balcony,
week.
don't you?
That's how clean it is.
All the
Everything
chickens,
falls
they
through
love
and
the
absolutely
balcony.
no stink.
Walk around. Look inside through here. See nobody's in. And then they go through the dog door. Actually, Ribana is in. I mean, the chicken door. Yeah, they love it.
So I repeated this in slow motion right after this. I had a coffee cup in my left hand and the phone in the other, and that's what triggers him the most, is when I have a coffee cup in my hand, because he wants what's inside. So right here, I was not sure if he's gonna repeat it, because he starts doing this thing here, right? So I had to intensify because I'm all the way squat down and he's not really looking at me. Now he's looking at me. Now he bought it and he walks away.
BBC. No, hello. Tarzan, Winnetou, Junior, Ribana.
I call all my chickens by name frequently because I want them to come when I call out for a chicken, especially if I don't see one.
Winnetou, Tarzan, Ribana. Winnetou, Tarzan. Winnetou, Tarzan. Winnetou, Tarzan. Winnetou. Okay, come on. Winnetou, Tarzan, come on. Come on, Pipissi. Winnetou, Tarzan, come on, Pipissi. Ribana, come on, let's go. Good, Pipissi. Come on, Pipissi. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go over here.
Well, now I didn't know where the Junglefowls are, so I'm calling for
Come
them.
on.
Of course, the
Good.
Easter eggers, they
No,
join
look
me.
at that.
And once Winnetou finally answers from the woods, Easter eggers relax. And Junglefowls come and join the flock. I disagree with the explanation that the rooster is crowing to keep the other roosters away, because that's not beneficial. If I know that there is a live rooster 100 yards away around me, I know that they are safe, and more likely I'm going to be safe. I want to be in the proximity of the other roosters, because they're going to let us all know that there is a danger coming. And that applies to me as well. When I come from work and I call them, I'm sure that my rooster is not telling me to stay away.
Yep.
Barred owl is hooting on that side. Usually she's not there, but somebody ran over the mate or baby a few weeks ago. I guess she's still calling for it. So since October 20th, when Winnetou established his dominance, they completely stopped fighting. But yesterday they started this little staring contest with a tiny little bit of fighting. I guess because Tarzan is trying to maybe challenge Winnetou again. I fast forward this. It's just a little example what the chickens do during the day. But you can hear those leaves. Even if the coyote comes or whatever comes, you can hear it a long time before it gets to you. Just like thieves. Since that the coyotes showed up here a month and a week ago, dogs, when they hear this alarm, that was roosters, the Junglefowl roosters who did that this time. They just sprint out from the house. Now they already came back to the chickens because they already scouted the area. It was a hawk, and he was sitting about 6 feet high by the driveway.
Ta-da! Ribana, come on. We're calling you for like an hour. Ribana, come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. Okay. Come on, Ribana. Now. There you go, baby.
You made it. I know. How exciting. Okay, now we're gonna give 1, 2.
Of course, they're still eating those woolly croton seeds.
Junior.
They
no,
love it.
Junior. Junior, no. No, Ribana, no. No. Junior. No. Junior.
I'm not sure what are those two roosters doing, because it's not typically like a staring down contest, because Tarzan seems submissive, but why is he frozen like this? I don't know. I have seen once one hen, she had something in her crop, like a moving snake she just ate, so it was weird, but that's not the case. But I fast forward it, but it took a few minutes.
You are such a smart little cookies, huh? All of you, Pipisti. I mean, seriously, I don't see no difference in any intelligence here between the Junglefowls and those Easter egger. Only the thing is here is so damn sad how
these Easter eggers, they got so much smart. Compare, you know, like in those, what is it, a year and 3/4, whatever. They just get so much smart, like every 3 months. It's, yeah, if they can live those 30 years, they're gonna be geniuses. Who is that, Rusty? Who is that? That is Rusty. Oh. And where is Rusty? Yeah, these animals, just like anything else alive, needs to keep the culture going. They have to pass on the generations what they have learned. That's how they keep their smarts on. I don't know why people are so they think they are so damn smart. Yeah, I want to see how smart they are if I just take the baby, throw it here in the woods, and you show me what you have learned, you know, without help. Nemám. Orlíku, nemám nic, okay? You are such an... Hey, what you doing, Pipisi? Orlíku, nemám. Look, nemám. Not yet. Quit it. Shit. So right now we are between the two vehicles, and I had to squat down and start staring him down because he is stalking me all the way from the house, and he's not gonna stop. I don't even have anything in my hand. The chickens are not around me. His hens are by the house laying eggs or something, and he's just bored and doing this number again. So I had to get down, and just I'm like staring at him, and now I'm waiting for him. What's the next move? Yeah, I could feel that I'm getting scared that he's gonna, like, you know, take my eyes out. Right here where he's turning, facing me for a split of second, that's where I get worried if he's gonna attack me. Here, yeah, he's looking, he is evaluating my evil stare, and it works 99% of the time since I discovered this method 3 weeks ago. No, to je vajíčko, Junior. Je vajíčko. Yes. Well, hello. Tarzan. How are you doing, baby? What? No, where are you gonna jump? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who is that? So this is very cool. Even my dog Fanosh paid attention to it. They staring. They have a staring contest. Even though the junior is much bigger, but he's still 2.5 weeks younger, why does he not like stretch his head out? He lowers himself that he can really look eye to eye, and that's the whole thing. I just honestly cannot believe that I never used this tool for this long. And what does Orlík? Absolutely nothing. He absolutely doesn't care if those junglefowls are chasing the hens. Maybe he even wishes for it.